Excuse me? Hey, no. The littlest things make the biggest difference, bro. Well, so much for having a lip. It lasted probably like 5 minutes. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So for this video, as you guys can see, this tire is a little bit too big for the rear of this car. It rubs. It doesn't rub too bad, but it does rub to the point where like I probably can't have nobody in my back seat. So yesterday, I went ahead and I bought another pair of tires, and we're gonna go install them today. And hopefully it doesn't rub. So I'm gonna put the 265s in the rear and the 255s in the front. After this, like I said, hopefully it doesn't rub, and I could drive the car a lot more. And if it doesn't rub, I might go buy another car part for this car today. I don't know, guys. Am I gonna modify a car that I'm trying to sell? Maybe. Guys, we just at the tire shop. No more rubbing, guys. That thing hooked and booked. Freaking slow though. Just got out the gym and I let my girl drive the Q so I can see it rolling. Bro, it looks so mean. Damn, bro, seeing it rolling. Whoa, 235 boys. Seeing it rolling makes me not want to get rid of it, bro. It looks so good. It looks mean. That's what I love about Q50s, bro. The headlights looks like it's mad dogging you. It looks so sick. Dang, bro, it looks so good. Actual exhaust ASAP if I keep it. Anybody sending a motor dyne or a arc? Looks so good, bro. I can't get over this car now. So since I'm starting to like this car again, we're actually gonna go buy a lip for it right now. I'm gonna take the gas saver though. Oh, she's downshifting away. Whoa! Sheesh. Sick ass. Whoa. Ran into a Supra. My potential next car. This thing is so clean. On the same wheels as me. Sheesh, it must be nice, sir. What do you guys think, Supra? Next. Got the lip. Got a little gift from them, I guess. What is it? HDC Auto Depot. This was like a super cheap lip that I found on OfferUp, so let's see how this goes. The thing that I did like is that she said if there's any fitment issues to come back within 30 days. So should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. See how it looks. So this was actually 3 pieces, I think. Excuse me? Hey, no. Bro, relax. Wait. Anyways. What? What's up? Why are you barking? Anyways, as I was saying, I think it's 3 pieces. So, there's one, here's the other one, and the middle one. It's not painted. What? I'm not sure if I'm gonna install it right now, but I'm gonna try to line it up, see how it looks. That's pretty much how the lip is gonna go. It's not even painted, but honestly, for $35, can't go wrong with it. Speak.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, it is now a couple hours later. We didn't end up installing it, so now I'm back home. I'm gonna try to do this really quick. Shouldn't be too hard, should be kind of common sense. So I'm gonna just start drilling. I mean, I've installed this lip like 3 or 4 times and it's been good. So ended up taking off this bolt that was sitting right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, to be honest. Oh, there you go. You see that little hole? I took off that bolt that was there, put the bolt on this side of the lip, and pretty much just gonna put the lip on with that bolt. It should work. The 2 little wings are on. Now to slap on the middle part, this part. I think I'm gonna just have to drill some holes into the bumper. I'm not gonna lie, bro, it looks really good. It's nighttime. I know you guys probably can't see the best, but damn, son. What do you think?
I like it.
Alright, let's start drilling into this bumper. Just like that, we're all done. Ended up just, like I said, bolting those 2 bolts on the side. I drilled on the little wings, like right there, and that was it. It's pretty sturdy, so let's hope it doesn't fly off on the freeway. All right, let's pull this to the gas station, fueling up. Damn, son, sometimes the littlest things make the biggest difference, bro. The wheels, the lip. I'm definitely considering actually keeping the car now. I'm actually trying to fix the screen, get the windows tinted next week, get a carbon diffuser, etc., and just keep this car, bro. It looks amazing with the front lip. Hope you guys can see it. I know it's dark, but like I said, the smallest things make the biggest difference. I'm in love with this car again. What can I say? So yeah, guys, now I'm actually considering keeping this car. Like I said in the previous video, just focusing on the Z, getting that car back up and running, driving this car for a couple more months, and just go with the flow pretty much. If I find a good deal or if I find a car I like, then maybe I can sell it. But as of right now, I think I'm very happy with this car. I'm finally gonna fix this freaking radio. Maybe even get a Tesla screen. I don't know, because I need my music. That's the main reason why I hate this car, I think, because I have no music. And I just haven't fixed it because I was like, I already had the idea of trading it in for the longest. But yeah, guys, I hope this wasn't a boring video, and if it was, I'm so sorry. I hope the next video is a lot more eventful. If you guys like this video, like how the front lip on the Q is looking, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me.
12 seconds later.
Well, so much for having a lip. It lasted probably like 5 minutes. Wow, bro, that's ridiculous. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm back home. So these 2 wings were on pretty good. The middle, I didn't end up drilling it because I didn't think it was necessary. The middle clipped onto these little holes right there. They clipped onto them, and after they were clipped on, I grabbed the lip. I was literally shaking it. I was like, dude, this thing is not gonna fly off. Why am I gonna freaking drill into my bumper for no reason? I was like, I think it's good, and I was wrong. Something was telling me too, just freaking drill into the bumper. But when I tried drilling it, the middle part started kind of going up, so it looked kind of weird. That's the main reason why I just left it alone. And then I drove to the gas station. I was driving pretty fast on purpose to see if it flew off. And it didn't fly off until I got on the freeway like 5 minutes into the drive. But whatever. Like I said earlier in the video, it was literally $35, so it's not like I care. I hit up the people that I bought it from, see if I could get another one. If not, I mean, I saw some other dudes selling one. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's a lot better, so I might just cop that one if I can't get another one of these, because honestly it looked pretty good for 35 bucks. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys all had a laugh at me for installing this lip and having it fly off within 5 minutes. Whatever, it is what it is. But if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys will know whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.